Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, before we start the show, we like to urge everyone not to accept any incoming calls or any messages in between the show. Welcome to the online show Acting with Eliza, featuring Florentina Rani.
Scene number 1 is done. Hey? Wait a minute, where are you going?
I'm gonna go get some food.
Well, there's home delivery. In times like these, I think it's better for us to stay indoor. What do you say?
Well, your home delivery doesn't actually work for me or for my stomach, so yeah.
Hello? Floren, as soon as you step out that door, you're gonna be dead and so will I.
What are you, God, that you can predict the future?
What? Have you seen Delhi? Have you seen Delhi or not?
Yeah, I have seen Delhi. And I have my mask on. I don't know why you're being so dramatic right now, but I'm pretty sure Delhi has nothing to do with me going to get some food and vegetables for us because someone has to do it, and apparently it's not you.
Oh, damn you. Damn you, Floren. You are undermining me. Do whatever that pleases you. Alright? But guess what? I'm your brother, and my duty is to protect my own. But if you want to step out that door, go ahead. Do it. I won't be held any responsible for this.
You're gonna go there? Really? A brother? A brother who's never been here? You've always been gone. You weren't even there when we needed you the most. And now you just show up and you wanna protect your own? You don't care about anybody else, except for yourself. I don't even have time to do this with you right now. I'm going, whether you like it or not.
Great. I just hope coronavirus is not bigger than your ego and ignorance at least.
Whatever.
Damn! Nobody listens to me. No one. Just no one. Just no one.